Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6. Begin by launching Play Store on both. Following that, install this free app called Send Anywhere from this developer, and when it's ready, launch it. In order to continue, you need to select the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now or click on OK right away. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of this Samsung device. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Flip 6. Going back to this Samsung smartphone, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can select all of your files that you wish to send. In some of those categories, like contacts, you need to tap on Allow a couple of times to access your files. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Then hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you wish to use. If you wish to share a link, click on this option and sign in order to access it. But if you don't want to do that, you can always input this key into Input Key section by typing in all of those numbers before they expire and connect thanks to Receive button. You can also scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon above User Guide, closing an ad, tapping on while using the app or only this time in the pop-up and pointing your device's camera at the code. Wherever you decided, when you finished, just wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!